Have you ever wondered how some people score a 9 on the IELTS reading test? You won't believe how easy it is to boost your IELTS reading score with these strategies. Every single strategy that I will tell you in this video is so important to score your target score. Let's get started. The first strategy that is so crucial for your success in reading is having a wide vocabulary. You might have heard this a lot, but you might not really know why it's important. Firstly, IELTS reading passages often include advanced and diverse vocabulary. A strong vocabulary helps you to comprehend these texts more easily, reducing the time spent understanding the meaning of passages. Secondly, by expanding your vocabulary, you enhance your overall reading skills, making it easier to achieve a higher score in the IELTS reading test. Let's move on to the next strategy. Improving your time management skills. What if I told you there are easy ways of completing IELTS reading section on time? And I believe that you've heard, don't spend more than 20 minutes on each passage, 1,000 times. But there are actually better ways of improving your time management skills. Firstly, if you're spending more than 2 minutes on just one question, you can just move on to the next question without really wasting your time. The next way is not reading the passages first, but reading the questions first, because you will know what to look for. Let's move on to strategy number 3, reading the instructions really carefully. You might think this is so cliche, but let me illustrate how it can kill your reading score. Let's imagine that you have fill in the gaps questions where you must write no more than one word and or a number, and if you write local workers, that would be incorrect. Comment down below what you should have written instead of local workers in that case. Strategy number 4, study synonyms. IELTS reading questions often paraphrase information from the passage. Recognizing synonyms helps you understand these paraphrases, making it easier to find the correct answers. Also, the test can include tricky questions where similar but incorrect answers are given. Knowing synonyms helps you discern the best match, avoiding these traps. I have also seen many students struggling with the listening section of the IELTS test, and I explained the strategies you can use to improve your listening score in the video you can see somewhere.